Hey there, guitar players. Today we're going to look at kind of a technique which is hammer-on and pull-off. And it's kind of a fun thing to do. It takes a little bit of practice. And you know, there's a Led Zeppelin song, I don't remember the name right now, but it has a really nice guitar opening with hammer-ons and pull-offs. And it's fun to do. And so before we get started, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Smash that like button, really appreciate it. And there's lots of other things that you can see on my channel. So anyway, this song, the hammering on and the pulling off, it kind of goes, I'll slow it up a little bit first. Go. So it's a hammer on, pull off. So it's So let's take that apart a little bit. So the beginning is so it's actually hammer on and pull off all together. And then the second part is, so it's, and then it's a G. Just a triad G. You do it again. Here's the second part. This is all pull-offs. One pick, one down. And then to an open D. So it's to a D, G, D. Then you get into this. And a slide. One more time. So that's that guitar riff using lots of hammer-ons and pull-offs. So practice that. Let me know how it goes. And it's a lot of fun, and it's a nice technique to do. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know. And I'll see you in the next lesson. Have a great day.